All right, let's see what this month's leadership lesson from a fortune cookie is. Change is happening in your life, so go with the flow. I'll eat that later. So this message, just like all the other ones, is very interesting to try and turn it into a leadership lesson, just from a simple, practical snack wrapped up in whatever kind of paper. Change is happening in your life, so go with the flow. Once again, simple but powerful, especially for leaders. And here's the truth. Change isn't an interruption. Change is the environment. Most leaders try to control it, possibly resist it, or pretend that they can outrun it. But the leaders who thrive are the ones who know how to move with it. Go with the flow. It doesn't mean being passive. You're actively going with it and actively going with the change. It means being flexible, adaptable, and aware enough to adjust the moment that calls for it. It means responding instead of reacting. It means seeing change not as a threat, but as information. So here's what's going on with the flow and how it looks in leadership. 4 ways. First, you stay flexible instead of rigid. Change becomes a catalyst, not a crisis. Next, you listen before making big decisions. Create space to understand instead of forcing your old plan on a new situation. You move quickly when opportunity shows up because flow helps you spot openings for others and that some people do ignore. Finally, you stay centered even when things shift around you. That's not weakness, that's adaptability in action. The leaders who succeed aren't always the strongest, but they're the ones who adapt the fastest, the ones who stay fluid. So next time change shows up, don't brace against it, don't fight it, flow with it, learn from it, move through it, because sometimes the universe gives you the exact leadership lesson that you need inside a fortune cookie.